I've been Peter repeater from last couple of weeks. Good start, very impressive, Ajay. Let's have a look. Beautiful seam position, a little late swing, and he was lucky he's got the bat inside edge onto his pad.
Swing and a miss. Is that straight enough? Reckon impact might just be outside. Saw Johnson Charles just move across his stumps, and that is exactly what might have just saved him.
12 wickets so far in this season, 4 of DP World ILT20. Let's have a look. The good delivery nip, but that looks very, very close. They didn't take the review. Everybody went up there.
Definitely pitched in line, just on umpire's call. So impact on umpire's call, and looked very adjacent. Just away. Just away. So asking all the right questions, and a good start so far by Ajay Kumar. Slash and a flash, and they run through. Captain now duties with the ball. Got 8 wickets, but his economy has been really good. Just under 8, 7 runs and over. Who does normally operate towards the back end. Through the line and just further away from mid-off. Monarch Patel off the mark with the boundary. It's a big ticket 4 as well. Tournament 4s rack up to 546. Play big and dream bigger.
What a shot from Monarch. Let's have a look. Length delivery, played it on the up. It was a fielder there at mid-off. He was little wider. He played it straight for his first boundary. Couple of steps.
Very different attributes of fast bowling. Ajay Kumar more. Bowled him! Jason Holder strikes, and it's a big wicket of Charles.
Very average shot from Johnson Charles. It was actually a slog, and good delivery from the skipper. Jason Holder got breakthrough for his team, the first one, and now pressure will build up on Warriors because they are bottom of the table. There's a reason why they are there. Let's have a look at the pitch again. Beautifully bowled, bit of outswing, missed it completely. His front foot was gone towards mid-on, and hence he missed the ball, kind of yorked himself. And he goes now, Johnson Charles, for 1 of 6. Warriors 7 for 1. Easy 2.
Brilliant start by ADKR. Catches the call, and it's been taken! What a start, what a reply. One follows the other. Warriors now 2 down.
This is poor cricket by Warriors. That's why they're bottom of the table, bottom of the ladder. You lost 1 wicket, you're into 3rd over, tried to rotate the strike, but that's not happening here. Monarch played that shot, didn't middle it, went straight to the fielder at mid-on. Lobbed actually towards mid-on. Look at that. You're gonna play with full force, and there was no strength, a power in that shot. First wicket for Ajay in this game, and now Monarch Patel goes for 7. Now they're in big trouble. Sharjah Warriors 9 for 2.
A dream start for the Abu Dhabi Knight Riders. 9 for 2. Couple of runs will make it 11 for 2.
Oh, beautifully bowled. This is good bowling. This is clever bowling from this youngster. 4 runs and a wicket. 11 for 2. Of course, he can bat too. He's an all-rounder. Ball is for 2. If Sunil is there, you run 2.
Whipped into the leg side. Brilliant timing. Should be a boundary. It is. Tom Abel's first for the night.
Tom able to play that shot nicely through mid-wicket with the full face of the bat. Again, little dangerous shot, but it wasn't a slog. It was a full face of the bat towards mid-wicket, not towards square leg, not towards mid-wicket. on the boundaries, along the ground, cricketing shots.
Well, it's worth a mention.
Ajay Kumar round the wicket. Upish! Ooh, Ajay Kumar's looking for that outside edge. Nicely bowled, he's bringing... Oh, he got some fingers to it. He's bringing TKC into the shot. Would have been heck of a catch, my goodness. Oh, well bowled. Superbly bowled, and he doesn't deserve that. Simon Dull would have the red mist coming down now because he does not deserve that.
Might have had a word, Alan. Might have had a word to TKC. A couple of great deliveries. One that's just slightly leaving. This one has darted back in, picked up the inside edge. Bit of good fortune. They're searching for wickets, which is what they need to put this Warriors outfit under some pressure.
Deeper World Isle T20 for TKC, and look at this. Ooh, he's thrashed that. Golden Cadmore latching on to one that's too full.
They just went searching a little bit here. Ajay Kumar. Touchful, looking for that one that goes back in again, but it just swung back in onto the middle of TKC's bat. The eyes, look at the eyes, down on the ball, all the way onto the blade.
Great duel this is. Stands tall again and absolutely larrupes this. Goodness, that's a good bat he's using, and he's using it well. 31 for 2.
Again, looking for the one to go away. Stood tall on this TKC. Found the gap again, didn't move. Did not move. He knew it from the time it hit the bat.
Andre Russell now. Oh.
Thinking about a clock face. A quite round arm. Hence at the back end of the innings, they'll pinch one here. No, they won't. Good work. Excellent work behind the stump. Salt.
Looking for the Yorker. At an angle. And that is going to be put away for 4. A full toss, leg side. Christmas comes early. 38 for 2.